Good morning, good morning. Almost good afternoon. It's the Fly Roadside guy checking in one time for the one. You know how we do. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We out here on a construction site. They doing look like some apartment complexes, townhomes or something. A new development basically. Long story short. On an asphalt job today. Me and my wife tag teaming this joint today because still in February. It's been kind of slow still. Should be picking up a couple weeks, beginning of March, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? And just got to keep it moving. Tomorrow, it look like some rain coming through, so short week, but hopefully you pick back up again next week. Stay tuned. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We out. What up, what up? The Fly Roadside guy back at it. Same job, but I just wanted to somewhat reiterate the fact that everything starts with dirt. As you can see, we got some dirt right here. You can't build nothing without dirt. Not a hotel, not a gas station, not a house, not a road. So you got the dirt, which is the foundation. On top of that dirt, we lay down this material right here called GAB, crush and run. Typically you put that over the dirt, smooth it out. Once you get that dirt once you get the crush and run GAB laid down, then you go ahead and top it off with that asphalt, which is what they doing over there on that side. And we up next to dump out. So stay tuned.